Hi, my name's Simon from Motodrome. Now today we're going to take a walk around and a drive of this rather lovely Fern Green Ford Cortina 1600E that you can see lurking behind me here. Two videos, one walk around, one driving, plus a bit of starting and idling action at the end. Hope you like them. Okay, let's take this rather gorgeous, it really does take me back driving this Ford Cortina 1600E for a spin. Generator light comes up as it should. They don't have an oil pressure light. And starts nicely. One thing you do have to do, that you need to tap the rev counter to make it work. Unless you tap it, it won't go. But that really, I'll tell you now, that's all I can find to fault with it. And is it a fault? It's got its nice period Pioneer medium wave and long wave radio, which excuse me, which works. But it's an absolute delight to drive, it really is. Forget just how nice these simple 60s and 70s Fords are. One thing it does suffer from is a lack of door mirrors. But she just rolls down the road really beautifully, really does. I can't help smiling when I'm driving this. Rides nicely, no signs of any excuse me, misfiring, hesitancy or overheating. It's just, yeah, it's just fabulous. First time, I'm 60 now, it's the first time I've had a 1600E. I did have, when I was about 20, a Mark II Lotus Cortina, but it was an absolute dog. And I've had several Mexicos and stuff over the years, back when they were cheap cars. Gearbox is lovely. It's just great, it really is. It's like stepping back in time. Brakes nicely when there's a large lorry on the wrong side of the road. I can't stop laughing, I'm afraid, when I'm driving this. It's, yeah, it's like being a kid again. I must admit, you do get so many looks and waves and stuff. It's almost as if these are sort of burned into the British psyche. Be able to tell from the video because the camera mount does rattle slightly, but it's incredibly rattle free. It's not like modern car standards in terms of refinement, but for one of its age, it's pretty damn good. Steering's nice and light, but not too light. There's enough performance, but it's not quick by modern standards. The 1600E has the Lotus suspension on it, so they do sit slightly lower than a standard Mark II. And this is obviously a very late Mark II because it hasn't got the hump there with the instruments in. Now it's showing, well, it's just, we'll say it's done 44,000 miles. It's not long turned over 43,000 miles. I haven't looked at the history yet, but I'm told it's got almost continuous history from new, so that may be right, but I can't guarantee warranty at the minute. We'll wait until we go through the history. It'd be nice if it was. Say, braking wise, absolutely lovely. Not sure that buzzer for the indicators is standard. Having said that, all the indicator telltales are working properly and stuff. So I think there we have it. She's just great. She really is. Oil pressure at idle now when it's hot is 30 psi. Temperature gauge is sitting about a third of the way up the dial. Don't know why we've got an ammeter and a voltmeter. We've got an ammeter up there and an aftermarket voltmeter here, but yeah, it's just splendid. It really is. Anyway, my name's Simon. You can reach me in the office on 0118 907 1495. We can go to our website, which is www.moto-drome.com. Okay, let's fire up this Cortina 1600E. Generator light comes up as it should. Starts beautifully when it's warm, starts fine when it's cold as well. Just need to give the rev count a little tap to make that work. But idling nicely. I'll show you under the bonnet. Under bonnet shots of the Ford 600 GT engine. This extractor manifold and stuff. Idling when warm. Incidentally, on the body plate there, all the details all match up. Correct shell, correct colour. Just fabulous little car, this one.